Hi, I'm very excited to be trialing my new Spanish Classic 3 course, which consists of gazpacho from Andalusia, paella from Valencia, and of course the infamous cream catalan from Catalonia, which is like creme brulee. It needs to be trialed and tested and tasted, and everything needs to be cleaned up within the next 2.5 hours. Let's go. We start with the cream catalan because it needs time to be refrigerated so that it can set. Here we go. So I have 4 gorgeous little cream catalan puddings, brulees, which I'm now going to put in the fridge, let it cool down, and then we'll finish that off later. Now I'm going on to the components that are going to go on top of the fish paella, which in essence are the prawns, the lobsters, the fish, and mussels. Let's go. We're making a nice thick paste, and I want it to be nice and fishy. There we go, easy. Well, I'm very happy with the way the prawns turned out. They look pretty marvellous, if you ask me. Ta-da! And the pieces of fish, I think they turned out very well. They just need some finishing touches. I've prepared the veggies, and I'm going to allow that to marinate its magic. And now I'm going to do the soup. Very happy with the gazpacho, and it's going into the fridge for chilling. Finally, for the taste test. Can't wait. Smells good. Oh, smacks of the Mediterranean. Refreshing, chilled enough time in the fridge, and oh my word, that is good. 10 out of 10. Well, I've been looking forward to this taste test. Let's see what we've got here. We have a beautiful seafood paella, and I see I've got some fish here, which could be like a tuna or a kinglet. And that's, I love the fish paste on here. And here we have a prawn. Wow, this is interesting. This is a prawn. Very interesting. I like the look of that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a bit of a squeeze of a lemon. Oh, my mouth is salivating. Okay, I'm going to go in. That is good. I got another prawn. Look at that. 2 prawns. Did you get a prawn, my love?
Yes.
No, yeah.
And fish and mussels.
Another piece of fish. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna. This paella is quite artisan. It's got prawns and fish and mussels. Oh, look at the mussels. I've got to show you the mussels. Oh my word. Beautiful spice mix in here. Gives it that whole Mediterranean seafood Spanish vibe. And here is a version of the mussels. I think that's quite cute. Just to make it a little bit more salty. Now I think this is a hit. This is an absolute hit. It's a very whimsical artisan play on a seafood paella with lots of little different textures and flavors in it. And I think this is a 10 out of 10. Come to my cooking class. Enjoy yourself. Very excited for the taste test on the dessert. The creme catalan, which is like a brulee from northern Spain. Oh, it smells sweet.